1984 Chevy Caprice with a 350. What we got done on it, they just put a motor in and we ran all new exhaust form, as you guys can see. So we did true dual system with a high flow cat right there. Then true dual all the way back 2 1/4. Then 2-inch tailpipes on each side, there and there. And then he wanted some flat tips out the back, there and there. So we got it done for him, as you guys can see. So it's got a true dual 1984 Chevy Caprice Classic. There's a true dual system, guys. And I don't want to hear nothing about no cats, because we got to keep cats on these. It's federal law. All right, guys? So don't comment about that stuff. Or you can write comments. I don't care. I enjoy reading them. And I enjoy everything you guys do. So we really appreciate it all. All right, guys? Enjoy. And like always, guys, like, comment, and subscribe. Man, that sounds good. I like it. 113. Yep. That sounds amazing. Let it idle. Sounds good. Let you guys hear on the inside. '87 Caprice Classic, brown on brown, true dual. Got them 26s on, or 24s, I'm not sure.